Hey everybody, it's Tanya Atomic, and if you know me, or even if you kind of maybe know my channel a little bit, you will know that I love all things spooky, creepy. It's October, and it is Halloween basically. Halloween has started. I celebrate Halloween all through the month of October, and so does my husband, and so do a bunch of my friends online, and I will be posting reviews of horror films all month long because I am in a watch a horror film group through the month of October. So, yeah, I really celebrate Halloween for a whole month. To kick that off, because if you watch my channel, or you know me, you'll also know that I enjoy makeup. So I have right now in my hand these boxes from Revolution Beauty London, I Heart Revolution, and Makeup Obsession. That's their other. I don't really understand the three different branches, but it's I Heart Revolution or Revolution Cosmetics. And they have different branches. I don't know what I think Revolution Cosmetics and then I Heart Revolution and then Makeup Obsession are there two branches or something. It's really confusing, and I'm not English, so I don't know. Anyway, I bought a bunch of stuff off their website, and I am going to show you. So, first, I open this up and it says, can you even hear me? Quality, affordable, cruelty-free beauty for everyone. You are the revolution. So, I always look and make sure everything I'm buying is vegan, although I've had oopsies before, I'll be honest. But I really, really try hard to make sure I'm buying vegan. Oh my goodness. It's got my name on it. That's so cute. That is so cute. They had to do an extra step to put everybody's name. I mean, I hope that everybody else didn't get one that said Tanya, because sorry, I mean, that would be really kind of insulting. But I think that's really nice. I like personalized things, and I think that's really cool. So, this actually tells what is in here. My goodness. So that's the big thing I want to reveal last. So actually, I'm going to open the big box here. So, again, my name is on it. And I bought a bunch of stuff. And also, if you know me, you know that I always like to get a deal. I don't like to pay full price on anything. But Revolution is known for being affordable, an affordable brand. Yeah, I don't know how else to put that. So yeah, Revolution Cosmetics is more of an affordable brand, and I paid full price for everything except for the skull highlighter thingies, which I think were $2 off. But here's the inside. They must have made it black for Halloweeny. Okay, so the first thing is staring right at me. It's an eyeball. It's a pink eyeball. I was gonna get the white eyeball that was actually sold out. And I was like, kind of want the white eyeball for the package. But I kind of wanted the pink eyeball for the product. So, I mean, that's what's important, right? This is I See You. So this eyeball is a highlighter. And this pink one has a little bit of a peachy tone. And that's very soft. I'll do a little swatch. It's very shimmery. That looks really pretty. So that's the very first thing is this eyeball. The next thing in this box is Skull Highlighter. Oh my gosh, that is so cute. I've never actually used liquid highlight before. That's pretty. It's sort of a peachy one. Pro Supreme lipstick. I actually got one for myself and one for Tessa. So there are 2 Pro Supreme lipsticks. These actually were on sale for $2 each. And we were chatting, and so I was like, hey, I'm buying you lipstick. So one is sort of a muted, darkish nude, and the other is, this is Contention, and it's sort of a vampy dark red. Okay, I also got Onyx Primer. Look at that, it's got an eclipse on there. You know, I once saw a total solar eclipse. I was actually talking about this yesterday with Keith, who was there as well. And it is like no other experience I've ever had. It was more than awe, like saying that it was awe-inspiring or that I felt awe. A sense of awe is like very downplaying the experience. So I don't know how to describe it, but it's a feeling. It's a very visceral feeling that hits you very quickly all at once. And I asked other people if they felt the same way. They did. I don't know. Anyway, it is a black primer. So this is actually a makeup primer, and it's black. And I'm going to try this in a future video. So another thing I got was this empty palette. Oh, it's not a magnetic palette. It's a size one. So, okay, this is different than I thought. It was $2 as well. That's why I bought it. But it does have these size pans, so I'm going to have to get the shadows that fit in here. So, but it was only $2, and I'll figure it out. So, the next thing in here is this Halloweeny Lip Gloss. It's vinyl liquid lipstick in Scream. So this is a really nice package. I think it's just a plastic, but it's a frosted plastic. And it's got this cute spiderweb cap with roses. And this is the color. This like, whoa. That's vampy. So I like that. So a couple other things I got. I actually picked up Take It to the Grave. Take It to the Grave. This is one of their Halloween palettes. As you can see, it has shades like 6 Feet Under, Graveyard, Ghosting, Pumpkin. This is really cute. It's very Halloween-y. If you want me to do a review another time, let me know, but I don't have time right now. Black is the New Black. Has a nice mirror. Has these nice shades. And I think this was $10. Could be wrong, but I think this was 10. It's either 10 or 12 or something around that nature. But it's all, you know, black, gray, white, burgundy, smoky gray, light gray, silver. I mean, you know, it's got all the sort of black type shades that you would think of. Next thing we have is Kisses of Death Werewolf. And it looks like a rich, deep mauve. And it is sort of a purpley mauve. This is so cute. It's little. It's liquid. It says it's a liquid highlighter, but it's like a liquid blusher kind of. It says you can also use it as a lip stain. But I feel like blush is more the way to go. So cute. It's painfully cute. Can you tell by my face? I'm like, oh, so cute. Anyway, very cute. The thing I'm most excited about, I'm holding in my hand right now. The reason why I even made any of these purchases was so I could get my hands on this. It was $15, which I think is a steal. Are you ready? A Revolution Haunted House palette. Y'all, it's a haunted house palette. Look, okay. Comes in a little slip, but I'm saying it's a haunted house palette. Look. It is like a Victorian house with... Okay, I can only find one fault at all with this palette, and it's that the house does not have a wraparound porch. But my own house does have a wraparound porch, so I'm a little spoiled. But this house looks freaking amazing. It's got a giant ass full moon behind it. I mean, that's an impossible moon. Wow. This is the back. It looks similar. It's a little bit of a closer picture and then has some information there. And yeah, the haunted house palette, you guys. The haunted house palette, you guys. Okay. It's tin. Has a big mirror. And look at those shades. It does have one of those plastic slips and I'm like, I don't know what to do with. If you have a way to reuse or recycle, or I don't know, just let me know. But it's hard to just like throw them away, even though I feel like I just have to. It has like a bendy back, a spine. I'm afraid to bend it mirror all the way back because it is plastic where the bend is, and I don't want to break it. But look at these shades. So these are all beautiful fall type shades. There's a lot of oranges, purple, pinks, browns, black, cream. I can't wait to use this. It is super beautiful, and it was only $15. I love it. I can't wait to use it for this season. I might even want to use it every single day. I don't know. Who knows? Who knows what's going to happen? And the last thing was that I actually got a mystery bag, because I think if you spend $35, you get a mystery bag. So I got a mystery bag. So this is a makeup sponge for when you're baking. And what baking is if you need to set your makeup to last for several hours or under hot lights, or if you are oily or whatever, you actually put an extra excess of powder. Some people only bake under their eyes. How I do my under eye is I put setting powder under it when I've done with concealer, and then I powder my whole face again. So I feel like that sets it enough. I don't normally bake, but this is for if you do bake. I think you use it to bake and sculpt. So that's when you're doing like heavy contour, powder, this and that. Anyway, I'm not sure how to use that, but I will look into it. Oh, I also got a color corrector. So this is a color corrector palette. It comes with your different color correcting shades, and I do use some under my eyes. So I am anemic and I get real dark circles under my eyes, so I can use that. Oh, so a nice little highlighter blush. Ooh, hot pink lip lacquer. Super red lipstick. and another liquid highlighter, which oh, it's actually a color I don't have. It's like a violet, a very light lilac violet. Anyway, so that is everything. I actually got quite a few things in the mystery pack. It was like 2 lip products, a blush highlighter, a concealer, the baking thing, and the highlighter. So, I mean, that was all free. I'm going to put the Revolution links down below. And let me know if you want to see me try any of these things. And let me know what you think of Revolution Cosmetics. I heart Revolution, whatever, I don't even know. And thanks for watching.